Hello everyone, myself Dr. S. Muhammad Nazir, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Economics, the New College, Rayapeta, Chennai 14. Now I am going to teach you macroeconomics. In macroeconomics, I am going to teach you national income. What do you mean national income? National income is the total value of goods and services produced by a country in a year plus net factor income from abroad. In national income, we have different types of GDP. GDP at market price, GDP at current price, GDP at constant price, NDP at market price, GNP at market price, NNP at market price, GDP at factor cost, NDP at factor cost, GNP at factor cost, and finally NNP at factor cost. Now we see one by one. GDP at market price. GDP at market price is nothing but total value of goods and services produced by a country in a year. It is called GDP at market price. Technically, the GDP at market price is the money value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country in a year's time, inclusive of net indirect taxes and depreciation. Depreciation is also called consumption of fixed capital. Now, GDP at current price. If the domestic product is estimated on the basis of prevailing prices, it is called gross domestic product at current prices. If GDP is calculated based on the prevailing prices, it is called GDP at current prices. Now, GDP at constant prices. If it is estimated on the basis of some fixed prices, that is to say, prices prevailing at point of time or some base year, it is known as GDP at constant price or real domestic product. If GDP calculated based on some base year, it is called GDP at constant price. In India's base year is 2011-12. Before 11-12, it was 2004-5. Before that, 1993-94. Before that, 1981-82. Before that 1970-71, before that 1961-62, before that 1952-53. Now NDP at market price, net domestic product at market price. Net domestic product at market price is equals to GDP minus depreciation. Technically, NDP MP is defined as the market value of final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country by its normal residents and non-residents or by all during an accounting year less of depreciation. If we minus the depreciation from GDP at market price, we get the NDP MP. Now GNP MP, gross national product. Gross national product at market price is defined as the market value of the final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country by normal residents during an accounting year, including net factor from abroad. So GNP MP equals to GDP MP plus net factor income from abroad. What is the meaning of net factor from abroad? Net factor income from abroad is nothing but factor income from abroad by the normal resident minus factor income of non-resident in the domestic territory. For example, Indian business peoples earn the profit from the foreign. We have to include that in our national income. Minus, we have to minus the foreigners earning the income from our country. For example, Hyundai company, Ford companies are earning the income from our country. We have to minus that. We get the net factor income from abroad. So GDP MP plus net factor income from abroad, we get the gross national product at the market price. Next one is net national product at market price. NNP at MP. NNP at MP equals to GNP MP minus depreciation. Technically, net national product at market price is defined as the market value of the output of final goods and services produced by normal residents of an economy in its domestic territory during an accounting year, exclusive of depreciation and inclusive of net factor income from abroad. NNP MP equals to GNP MP minus depreciation. Next is GDP at factor cost. GDP at factor cost is defined as the sum of net value added by all the producers in the domestic territory of a country, inclusive of depreciation during an accounting year. So GDP FC equals to GDP MP minus indirect tax plus subsidy. So GDP FC is equals to GDP MP minus indirect tax plus subsidy. We get gross domestic product at factor cost. Now NDP at FC, net domestic product at factor cost. Net domestic product at factor cost is defined as the total factor income earned by the factors of production. In other words, the sum of domestic factor income. NDP, net domestic product at factor cost, is equals to NDP MP minus indirect taxes plus subsidy, or net domestic product at factor cost is equals to NDP MP minus net indirect taxes. The next one is GNP at factor cost. GNP factor cost is defined as the sum of gross value at factor cost by normal resident of a country during a year and net factor income from abroad. So GNP FC is equals to GNP MP minus net indirect tax. I repeat, GNP FC, gross national product at factor cost, is equals to GNP MP minus net indirect tax, or we can say GNP MP minus indirect tax plus subsidies. The final is, the last one is net national product at factor cost. It is known as national income. So net national product at factor cost is defined as the sum of net value added at factor cost by normal resident in the domestic territory of a country and net factor income from abroad in an accounting year. So NNP FC is equals to NDP FC plus NFIA. NFIA, net factor income from abroad. It is called a national income. So this is the concepts of national income. Thank you.